Jamaican Proverbs often use animals, goats, dogs, frogs, crabs, to describe human behavior. That's what makes them entertaining. You're laughing at the image, but realizing it describes real people you know. And sometimes it describes you. Okay, let's dive into 7 of them now.
Mouth open, story jump out. Some people just can't keep secrets. The moment they open their mouth, everything spills out. Cockroach no business in a foul fight. If you're small and powerless, stay out of big people's conflict. Mind your business before you get crushed. Big tree fall, goat start climb. When someone powerful falls, everybody suddenly gets brave. People wait until strength is gone before they speak up. Dog nyam dog no good. It's not good when people from the same community turn against each other. In other words, don't destroy your own. Goat say was sweet him. People always justify them bad choices. They'll defend whatever makes them happy, even when it's clearly not wise. What eye no see, heart no leap. What you don't know won't disturb you. Sometimes ignorance really does keep people calm. Goat say what own for him own. Everyone defends what belongs to them. Even if it's small or unimpressive, people value what's theirs.